in a IT organization or a IT business. Okay, IT business. What IT organization will do? IT businesses. So what IT business or what IT organization? So what they will do? They will provide IT services. IT services. What they will do? They provide a IT services. To whom? To whom they are providing? To IT organizations and non-IT organizations also. What is meant by non-IT organization? For example, a grocery store is there, shop is there. Okay, like they are using a billing counter, right? So billing software is there, computer is there, network is there, okay, printer is there, right? Maybe a manufacturing
Excuse
industry.
me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, non-IT organization also have a service desk profile, or one of the IT
No, no.
organization having that.
Okay. Non-IT organization meaning is they don't produce any IT outcomes, but they need IT services. They need a computer, they need a telephone, they need a printer, they need a internet, need to connect. Okay, so it depends upon
But
I
sir,
service.
they don't need any service desk profile. You want
Service
to say
desk
that?
profile, no, don't mix there. Service desk profile is if it is a shopping mall or maybe it is a manufacturing industry, specific service desk, not IT service desk kind of stuff, separately they don't maintain.
Like big
Maybe
organization having a service desk.
internal your IT support guy will be there. Sometimes depends upon organization. So what they will do, they may require a IT person is required for a computer service, network related services. They may need an IT support guy may require, not as an organization wise. Okay.
Like big organization.
No. Like IT, like normally, if I'm in a big basket, big bazaar, there is a computers, right? DMart, example, DMart, Reliance Smart. There are building software. It's just only one example. Okay. So they
Yes,
may
sir.
have some computer issue. Maybe they in their floor they can afford one more extra IT person. So they will one a computer guy will go and fix it. Maybe. Otherwise, they will call for a service providers, different IT service providers are there, like supporting IT service supporting team is there from some organization. They'll call either the person will come and they will tell how to work, how to make it work. Okay. For example, in your home you have laptop, desktop, and you have a internet router is there. For in your home you need to hire any person, right? If you got a problem, you'll contact service providers, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that only. It depends upon organization, non-IT organization or IT organization, what kind of support they required. Is it their in-house requirement or maybe from outside support required? So they will decide. Okay. There actually there is no a specific service desk kind of stuff in the non-IT organization. Of course, some organization will try to put a basic service related like a computer service or network related services, printer related services. They will use it. Okay. So different IT services are there, guys. Like maybe non-IT or IT organization. So, for example,
Like
I
sir, non-IT organization have a BPO profile, non-voice process. They are they are only having this type of profile. You want to say that?
BPO IT organization. BPO is also IT services. Business process outsourcing. Okay. So
Okay.
customer care services, customer relationship management, these are all IT services. It's a part of IT services. Different IT services, one of the IT services. Okay. Non-IT means there is no IT production. They use IT services, but original, what is their product? For example, you go to shop. What they are selling? Some groceries items, food items, or maybe some computer items like that. Na? So they're not like you go to D-Mart. You can buy groceries. They're not providing IT services. You go to Airtel. They are providing IT services, internet services. Okay. You go to for example, you want to buy a scooter. You go to Honda showroom, Hero showroom. So what they are selling, what they are giving service, what they are selling, bike or bike services, scooter services, accessories, right? So what is their outcome? What is their service? That is the first point. Okay. What is their support? And is it IT related or not IT related? So that's the point. Okay. Good. So of course, guys, BPO is different concept, but BPO comes under IT services. BPO, KPO, all these things. Okay. So IT organizations, IT businesses provide IT services to both IT organizations and non-IT organizations also. Okay, for example, you take a shopping mall example as said earlier, they need a IT services, like they need a computer. So they have to buy a computer from somewhere, right? They need an operating system. They have to purchase an operating system from some organization, like for example, Microsoft providing operating system services. Intel giving a hardware services, right? Or Lenovo, Dell computers, they are providing computer IT services. They need a billing application. They need a billing application that is created by some organization. Billing application. They need a printer to print the bill. That is built by some other organization, sold by some other organization. Okay. So they need a network connectivity. They need a server. They need a internet connectivity. Okay. They need a data storage. They need a database storage. So that is all products from the different IT organizations. Okay. So they are getting. And you ask very good question, that is this non-IT organization required IT service desk? In the word service desk is little, okay, we can see. Of course, they need a support, right? Computer not working, what they will do? Billing will stop. If it is Saturday, Sunday, big queue, right? So of course, so simple computer stop working. What they'll ask for a support, either in-house support, maybe if person is there, maybe they are tied up with certain organization. Okay, the procurement organization kind of stuff, people are there. AMC maintenance, annual maintenance contact with. Okay. Okay, so Nikita Kumari, almost all everyone came, and Shiva. Okay, so I have an organization. This is some organization having a computers. Okay, okay. So they have a computers. Okay, so they purchase from one organization. They need a network connectivity, so maybe they'll get it from another organization. Okay. Okay, so they need a building software, so they will get it from another organization. So they have to get it from somewhere. They need internet connectivity, so then they will get it from Airtel or ACT or maybe Geo Fiber kind of stuff. Okay, so different organizations from different organizations or from single organization who is maintained in middle. Okay, like a vendor type. Okay, so they will provide a whatever the service they want it or a specific services. Guys, you know AMC, annual maintenance contract. Okay, the word is a AMC, annual maintenance contract, means every 3 months there is a service or every month. So a person will come and check the services. Anytime any issue is occur, the person will come and check the issue. And they will put a one person from this company, one person is working in this one. Any issue is there, in-house person, he will going to repair it. Okay. So what happened here? So this company, this something ABC company. Okay, this is a ABC company which is giving a annual maintenance contract to the some organization, so they will maintain their computers, network, printers, connectivity like that.
Sir, you are mute. There are no voice.
Just okay. Now can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
So okay then. Okay, good. So SAP, 70s SAP consulting capabilities what they were all providing. So complete information compared to earlier, now they are developed much. Okay, so those kind of stuff. Okay, so same thing. Go to any organization. I am going to HCL. This is another question. Okay, What do you know about 70s? What do you know about HCL? What do you know about Microsoft? What do you know about Cognizant? Like that. Okay. So if you go to their website, you can see services, different type of services: digital business, digital foundation, digital process operations, engineering and R&D, smart cloud, smart IoT works, edge tech, application support and maintenance, that digital consultant, application performance, data analysis, software as a service, enterprise application, hybrid cloud, digital workspace, cyber security, networks, intelligent something operations, okay, finance and accounting, supply chain management, okay, productive, like this. So many are there. So trends and insights, industry, what kind of industries this organization is supporting: banking, customer goods, industrial manufacturing, chemical and process industries, technologies, healthcare, life sciences, oil and gas, aerospace and defenses, travel, transport, logistics and hospitals, retails, capital markets, insurances, mining, telecom. Okay, so like that, guys, any organization you have taken, so they're having a services, what type, different type of services and different type of client types, means industry supporting types. Okay, so that's the point I'm trying to say. IT organizations or IT businesses provide a service to IT or non-IT organizations. So what is this IT services? What kind of IT services it is providing? So first of all, I'm telling from here, software development, for example. So everybody think IT means software development. Okay, no problem. Software or application development, web development. So, where is these websites are running? Websites, email communications, where it is running? In the servers, right? In different data centers. Means data center meaning is servers. They have a networking components. Devices, networking devices or network devices, storage. Okay, like this, power supplies, applications, these are all running in a data center. Okay, so what we can say, all these things we call it as an infrastructure. Infrastructure means computers, networking cables, networking devices, storage devices, servers, applications. These are all comes under infrastructure management. Managing infrastructures, servers management also there. So anyway, it is another part. But all are same, guys. Data center and also so cloud services. Cloud service providing also part of IT services, right? Different cloud services, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, cloud services, IT support. Okay. Procurement companies, IT related support, IT technology related supporting. IT support means support. Means any issues occur, how to resolve it, how to process it. Okay. like it's compliance management kind of stuff, retail businesses support, industries, different type of industries support means. So what else we are giving? Internet. You are getting internet, right? So the internet service is also one of the services. Okay, so different type of services, different kind of services from organizations. CRM support, customer relationship management support, that softwares. Support means it's a, now it is a software part. So non-IT, but still it's a software only. Yes. So these are the different IT services. Okay. So last batch I told one example from Microsoft Office 365, and it is also one common question. So I'm telling that Microsoft Office 365. Just simple, guys. Look at here. This is Excel, right? Where I'm accessing Excel? In my web browser. This is a Microsoft Edge browser, guys. It is Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, this is my Microsoft Edge browser. It is, and I'm accessing Excel in
So
a
it is
browser.
online Excel sheet or offline
This is
Excel
online.
you are using?
This is online. If I am
Okay.
sharing your attendance sheet, already I shared. Okay, so when I do share, it will go to all these people. So I give name like a Prakash sir, Ruxana madam, Ravan sir, like I
So
given
from
their
where it
ID.
open?
They tell
Excel
me,
sheet, online Excel sheet from where it will be open?
very good. This Excel, my Excel with this link, I can open through browser, means you can't open, okay, because it's in my organization wise. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I can open
Okay.
a web browser, I can download into physical machine, I can access, or I can open with my mobile phone application also.
Okay, but we can't open this online Excel sheet
Yeah,
from
why
our
you
end.
can't open, I will tell also. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. And not only Excel, guys, these are all I can able to access from anywhere, anytime. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, okay, the SharePoint, Microsoft Teams. I am using Microsoft Teams here, which is installed in my PC. And also same Microsoft Teams I can access through online, through web browser. Okay, I can access this Outlook from my web browser as well as from my laptop also. OneDrive I can access from my laptop also, like this, right?
So
So
this is
from,
offline or online you are showing
this
left
is
side
online.
icons are.
This is online. Web browser I am accessing through online now. Same Excel, my PC. So I'm
Okay.
trying to open Excel. So what happened to this? Keyboard. Hello keyboard. What is working? Okay. This is Excel, right? So I'm opening an Excel in my laptop, not through browser. So already it is open in a browser, but it is I'm accessing my Excel. So like this, okay? It's a one of the cloud services, guys. The point is one of the cloud service. So I can access online and as well as offline. Okay, I can access through my mobile phone also because it is a Office 365. And why you can't able to access my Excel sheet even if I given a link? So why you can't able to access if even it is a online one? Because it is for my organization. You can see my organization. Okay, so within the organization only people can able to access. They
Okay,
have a
sir.
permission to access. Okay, and everyone, you guys also can able to access this document, right? You guys can able to access this document. You guys can able to access this PPT. How? Because it's a public access. It is my personal one. I am using this Google Docs, my personal. Okay, it's not organization based, so I am giving permission to anyone can able to access. And this one, you don't have a permission, anyone can able to access. Only the organization related people, that to whom I am shared, those people can able to access it. Even this video also you cannot able to access the recorded videos. You can't able to access. Why? Because of again this is within the organization only. Guys, this is a little mixer from Office 365 explanation to service desk. Okay, little mixer. I think you got the small point about what is Office 365 or a
Yes,
Microsoft
sir.
365. Okay. Older name is Office 365 and current name is Microsoft 365. It is a cloud-based software as a service. Cloud has three services: software as a service, platform as a service, so infrastructure as a service. Office 365 is a software as a service. It is a subscription model and you can pay monthly or yearly and you can unsubscribe anytime.
Sir, we can only use this Office 365 when we are working in any organization.
No, no, no. But good question that is. That's what I'm
Okay.
trying to show you. Very good. Okay. So this is home and business edition. Okay. This is for home means you want to use it for your personal. You are only one person is there. You want to use Office 365 services like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Defender, OneDrive, Outlook, OneNote, and Ship Clipcamp. This is newly added. Okay, and you will get a 1 terabyte of cloud storage. For one person, you can use 5 devices simultaneously on your PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android, and tablet. Also, you can use it, and you will get a 1 terabyte of cloud service. Okay, but per year this is the cost. Instead of that one, you buy a family pack. It is a cost is 6,199 and 1 to 6 members, maximum 6 members can use this pack. Okay, so you got one more additional family safety, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and this is OneDrive. Of course, you can use simultaneously multiple devices, each
But
user.
sir, there is. I wanna ask one question.
Tell
Hello.
me. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we are using on our mobile phone, it is free of cost, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, or any other MS Office application. But why here this MRP is
I got
showing?
I got in your mobile phone, if you are using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, why should we buy
Yes,
again?
yes, and also, sir, we are also using in our PC,
Mm.
free of cost. All these applications, so why we have to buy this?
But thing is, in your mobile phone, maybe inside your mobile phone, you got a Microsoft Office local edition, means today PC edition you got it, means you can access inside it. Maybe from your when you buy a new laptop or desktop, by default you got a Office inside your laptop.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That is because when you buy, already you pay that amount as a additional cost of your laptop. Okay. Sometimes they will give trial version, but if they don't provide, you have to buy.
Okay.
Okay. So Office, either it is
The
Office
organizations
365.
also provide.
Yeah.
Organization would provide us this
No,
all these.
forget about organization. Can you see
Okay.
these three things?
Yes, sir.
This is
Can
Office
see.
365 personal, but this is the Office home and student. This is for your laptop. When you buying a laptop, so it may included this license inside. Like you got a laptop along with operating system. Normally, you have to buy an operating system from Microsoft. But laptop that manufacturer already paid for Microsoft for license. So you are getting laptop plus operating system which is installed already.
So nowadays they launch this type of stuffs like for purchase MS Office applications, or it is coming since many years when this application has been launched.
Yeah, it depends upon how to sell. Okay, for example, Lenovo is there. You buy a laptop from Lenovo, so you see the specifications. Okay, a laptop without operating system, laptop with Windows operating system, laptop with Ubuntu operating system like that. The same way, the laptop with Windows 10 or Windows 11 with MS Office, with MS Office trial version, without MS Office, or with Office 365 trial version. It depends upon seller.
Is he or she giving us or not all these applications in free of cost?
May not, yes, yes. Like you buy a, what we can say, Dabur red toothpaste.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, you may get a brush. You may not get a brush for another offer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. The same way, it depends upon the seller. Like a Lenovo, maybe not in all models. Some models may not have these offers. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
good.
I understood.
Good. Okay. It's normally we think it is a normal question, but it is important to know also, guys. Okay. So this is office, home, or student edition. Sometimes it's come with your laptop, sometimes may not. But this edition only one time means one user, one time purchase. So no need to pay yearly or monthly kind of stuff. Okay. One time you buy it, one time you have it, no need to buy again. But it is in for your one laptop only. Okay, so it is completely offline access, no online access kind of stuff. Of course, this is having their own benefits. I paid 9,199 and I got a office. I use it in my laptop. I am using only one laptop. Then why I want to worry about any other things? That's the point. Okay. This one is personal, means one person, one licenses. This is six users can able to use this kind of license. Okay, six up to six members. Each member will get a 1 TB of storage space.
Sir, then the best deal is for us this Office Home and Student 2021, which is
No, no,
a
this is the
cost of 9,199.
yeah, that is one user, only one system, one user, one license. So based on that, that is a good one.
Sir, this
But you
is
cannot
for
pay
our lifetime.
yes, it will give lifetime. But
So then
lifetime
it will be
support they
a
will
good deal
provide.
for us.
if you got a problem, they don't give lifetime support. There is a limited support only there. Here it is. You can see one-time purchase. Good. Classic 2001 version. Only you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Okay.
So which
Microsoft
type of
support
problem?
include.
I didn't get your point.
Let's see. Support. No cost support is 60 days. First 60 days. Licensed for home and commercial use. Okay, not like you got a application related issue, you need a support update kind of stuff, then Microsoft don't provide after 60 days. That is after 60 days paid support. But still, of course, even it is a 9,000, look at a 9,000, you need to pay monthly, yearly kind of stuff. So you are using a laptop or a desktop and you need an office, that is one time purchase is always best. Because we won't get always a problem with the office, right? We know how to troubleshoot it. Okay. So, but these are two are cloud services, family and personal, both are cloud services. You can buy, I can buy individually. We can buy Office 365 services. All three things we can individually we can buy it. Okay. The family is for 6 members. For example, you want Office 365 type. This is the best package, but you need a 6 members with you. You plus 5 members. Split the cost like a Netflix. Okay. Split the cost with your friends like in Netflix. Okay. This is Office 365 Home Edition. Okay, guys. I'm going for a business edition. This is business edition. What I'm using is business edition. What I'm using is business edition. It is showing something now, so don't worry about it. So business edition also having different business. Now it cost is increased. Earlier it is 125 only. Now the cost increased.
Sir, yeah, this business edition is for the organization employees, not for any other person who is outside.
Very, very good. Very good. That's the correct one.
But sir, it's so much cheaper.
Yeah. This is Office 365, two editions. One is home, another is business. Okay, and other is business. Both are services from Microsoft. Okay, I'm an individual person. For example, a person want to use a Office 365, so he can go to Home Edition. A individual person. Okay, Business Edition for an organization. Okay, for example, Savantis is an organization taken a business edition and want to use business kind of services, business related means what their packages. Okay, which one is suitable for their organization, that one they will use it. So you can see you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Exchange, OneDrive. So these are all we are getting. So I need a mail communication, mail kind of services. Exchange is there. I want a SharePoint, so then I can exchange informations in the within the organization. So SharePoint services also required. Then I will take this package. But there is a problem. What is the problem? This business basic only access through web and mobile versions, not a desktop versions. Like I try to open Excel from my desktop, right? That Excel Word point desktop editions are not there. Web wise you can access, mobile from mobile you can access, but not a desktop applications are not there. And this one, this is app for business. So see, it is per user per month. In your organization, 100 members are there means 100 into that price. Okay, per user per month. Every month you have to pay how many users license you have taken. So this will give you desktop version, but no Exchange and SharePoint. Here you will get Exchange and SharePoint, Access, Publisher, and Desktop Edition, Mobile Edition, and Web Edition is also available in this one. Like this, guys, this is also having Intune. Somewhere it is Intunes. Depends upon the organization, what kind of service is required, they will take in and they will pay for a service. Okay. So here 2 points I want to tell: a individual user, organization size, and what kind of services we require, we'll pay for that service and we use that services for organization users. Guys, understand now? Office 365. Pay monthly
Yes,
or
sir.
yearly,
Yes, sir.
unsubscribe anytime. Okay. You can access Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook anytime, anywhere, any device through internet. Compulsory internet is required except for offline. Okay. Online means through web browser you can access. Offline means application installed into local machine or a mobile phone. Okay. Online means compulsory internet is required. Online means compulsory internet is required because you're accessing through web browser. If it is locally installed or maybe it is in the mobile phone, you can access with or without internet. You have home editions and business editions. Okay, guys. So this is Office 365. It's a subscription model of Microsoft Office. Cloud-based software as a service. Other software as a services like a Dynamic 365, which is offline services, Dynamic CRM, that is of Dynamic 365. Salesforce also CRM. Google Docs. I'm using Google Docs, right? This Google Docs also. Google Docs also same concept. Software as a service. Okay. And why I told this one, and it is very important, and why I told this Office 365. Two things you should understand, guys. Both are, it is Microsoft providing this service, and it is an application related service. And two editions, one type is home, another is business type. Okay. So home user means a individual user can access. Business means organization wise we can able to access. Okay. So service provider providing a service. The customer can be organizational related or maybe a individual related. So to link a small information of service desk, I told this story. Plus it is important story. That's why I don't choose another. Earlier I choose different stories. Now I choose this direct story. Both the way it will look useful. Okay. Service provider provide a service. Okay. Depends upon organization and depends upon service. It can be go to individual user can use it or organization wise the service is used. Because when you hear about IT support or technical support or service desk, we think first of all, we think someone will call us, they will scold us first because we are also scolding. Okay, like an Airtel customer care. Huh? So someone call us, they will scold us. Then we have to give an answer. Okay, we have to tell what is the problem, like that kind of stuff, right? No, guys, this is what I'm trying to show is you're working in a organization providing a service to the customers. Means the customer can be an individual user or through organization. Mostly you are working for an organization. You are supporting to a organizational related kind of issues. Like it can be application related issue, it can be cloud related issue, storage related issue, server related issues, service related issues, network related issues, you have to support. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, IT organization provide services, different type of services we are providing. Example, Microsoft is providing Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 service. Hello. ఎక్కడి నుంచి అండి? Areas. Square yards అండి. ఓకే ఓకే. Okay guys, so we'll go to the another small part. No, not slides. Slides I'm managing the. And copy paste this one to there. I have to drag. Just copy paste it. So sadly, actually, if I draw, then you will get a much interest in it. So what I will do, I will draw here for explanation. Okay. So copy pasting is not always good idea. So drawing is mainly for explanation purpose. Guys, are you able to see my screen properly? Voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
guys, here it is. First understand, is a service provider. Is a service provider. Okay. So some organization, service provider means is an organization from some tech solutions company. Service provider provide a service to the customers. To whom they are providing? To the customer. The customer can be any person. Depends upon your service and customer type. Okay, it can be any person. As it can be a single person or it can be a organization. Okay, so point is service provider provide a service to the customer, and he will tell agree to provide a what kind of service it is, and they will agree what kind of service and what kind of support we are providing in the service. So customer is getting a service, no problem, then no complaints, right? But he got a certain issue, or maybe customer needed some information. Customer required some information, or maybe he got a certain issues. He maybe want to change something. For example, I want to change my RAM, or maybe I want a 50 Mbps to 100 Mbps internet speed. Maybe he need a certain access permissions or billing information, change of a router, maybe a change of an application related one. Okay, so he got a certain issue. What he will do it? He'll try to contact the service provider. Then contact will go to service desk. Okay, so what happened? The customer will try to reach the service desk. So if he has any issues, if he got some issues, or maybe he needs some information or a certain change of service related, so then you will contact the service desk. What is the service desk people will do it? So service desk people means service desk analysis person do it. He'll understand what customer is required. What is the customer requirement? Is required, is telling some issue is there? Is what is change of certain service related, or equipment related, device related? Maybe is asking some query information. Okay, so they will get that information from the customer, put it into a ticket. Put it into a ticket. Okay, in the ticket, they will mention about who is the customer, from which organization is customer is related, because organization means not only one support, right? They may support to different organizations, right? I am using Office 365. It does not mean for Microsoft, not only 70s, right? There is so many organizations using Office 365. If we got a certain issue with Office 365, we'll contact Microsoft Service Desk and raise the complaint, right? This is the issue we are getting. This is the permissions we should require to get it. Okay. So issue go to the service desk. They will create a ticket. They mention the ticket in the ticket. They will mention about what is an issue, or what is the requirement, or what is the request, who initiated, who is telling this, oh, he got an issue, who is the customer, where is the customer, which organization, what is their impact of it, what is the urgency, means what is the priority of the issue we have to handle, and who is going to handle this ticket. Is the person who are handling the ticket, or maybe someone who is available in the team, okay, the related team, okay, the technical related team who is going to be handle this ticket. They assign to a specific team or a members in the team. They assign to a specific team or a member of a team. So this person will try to resolve an issue either by resolving from his end, or by going to the customer's place. So issue will be resolved. Either I can do it from my PC, so remotely I can resolve the customer issues, or maybe I have to send a person to the customer premises to solve the issues. Okay. So once issue is resolved, it is going to your service desk for a closure. Service desk close the
Sir,
ticket.
but if customer would resolve his issue, then why he should go for service desk or raise any type of query when he solve by itself?
Customer don't resolve his own issue, right? So this customer don't know what to do generally, right? So we have to think customer got an issue because of your application, maybe a web service related, or maybe network related, or hardware related, application related. What are the service you are providing? Based on your service, you got an issue, or maybe you need an inquiry. You need some information from you, and you maybe need a change of a service.
So
Okay,
that
so you
you
will
mean to
contact
say
service.
that yeah, he raised a query to service desk.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, both are different service desks and technical team. Like we will be at the service desk, so we will only raising the ticket, or we will also solve the
We have
problem
to
that.
solve the issues.
Acha, okay.
Yeah, both are not separated. Just for our understanding, we are separating. Okay, originally at service desk management, or a service desk automation management tool is there. So they will initiate the tickets. Okay,
They will
both,
solve only.
every person is in a service desk personnel. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so just we are trying to separate the teams, like a team wise. Why we are separating the team wise? These are service desk teams only. Different technology. Some are networking related.
Sir,
Some
can
of
you
the,
tell me how many persons were working in a service desk?
it depends upon organization and depends upon services they are providing to the customer.
Okay, okay, sir.
So networking team is there, servers team is there, desktop related, mail servers, mail related. Okay, so like this, different teams, cloud related. Okay, so security related. So different teams are there. So issue can be related to any of the team, right? So any of the team. So that is issue to a person who is working in a technical team. So he is also called as a service desk analyst. Okay, depends upon his technology. So he will try to resolve the issue.
Sir, before company hiring, a person would choose his field, like in which field he or she want to go, like in cloud service desk or networking service desk. Is this type of things
Yeah, this
one go?
small thing is there. As a fresher, so
Yes.
you are going with a basic technology. So as a fresher, normally you cannot choose which type of technology you want to work with it. So
The
mostly
organization will give us to.
it is a kind of stuff is first come first go type. So what project currently available and you are ready, and then they will put into that project, and the project is maybe related to cloud, or maybe it is related to network, maybe related to server, maybe related to basic desktop, like that. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yeah, fine.
but once you are inside, either now or maybe later, start improve your technical knowledge, networking related, or maybe server related, Linux related, cloud related. Okay,
Sir, can we
so
switch to cloud after 1 year?
we can,
Sir, can we switch to cloud after 1 year after working?
yeah, now also you can, yeah, you could keep learning. You can keep learning when you got a chance. Cloud is not separated, guys. Lot of people think cloud is latest and greatest to something. Okay, so cloud is not separated from IT services. It is also a part of IT services. Okay. So people are hearing cloud is now, that's a cloud, all these things people are telling. But cloud is one of the IT services. Okay, so when you are in the cloud means you learn any cloud like AWS cloud, Azure cloud, depends upon your organization and their services. If you are what kind, for example, 70s is giving support both AWS and Azure. If I learn Google Cloud, maybe I don't get an opportunity, right? So I have to learn the related, the cloud technology, and you can move within a 1 2 years easily can move. You'll get IT experience, then domain experience. Okay. So 1 year of IT experience, fresher to the cloud support technology. It's a kind of technology, infrastructure technology. It is good. Yeah. Okay, the network is the teams are different teams, depends upon what service you are providing and who is going to be. Okay, mail servers, cloud services. In the cloud also multiple type of services also there. Okay, so these are the things. So where I here, yes, right. Okay, guys. So again, once again, check it. Customer, you're getting a service from service provider organization. You got a certain issue, or maybe you need a query, means you need some information, or maybe you want to change of services, you'll contact a service desk. This service desk gather information from the customer and find out what is customer requirement and who is the customer, location of the customer, and the priority or impact of the customer issue. Okay, what kind of support he required. Okay, and that will be mentioned in the ticket. So these tickets are assigned to the different teams related to the issue or requirement. Okay, so that teams will be handle the ticket and
And
resolve.
sir, what is this you have written SLA?
That is service level agreement. Service level agreement. It means what are the services a service is provider is providing to the customer. So you will define what services I am providing, what kind of support I am giving to the customers, and make sure customer is getting a continuous flow of service. If service is interrupted, it's a violation of SLA. So it's compulsory give the support to the customers and immediately and try to resolve the customer issues. So make sure that customer should get a continuous services based on SLA. And what kind of support we are, what is the service you are providing and what kind of support you are providing mentioned in the SLA. Service level agreement. Very good. This is good. And see, same thing only I've written. Just these lines we can't able to add there. So service provider provides services to the customer. Service or services to the customer. If customer required some information, query, issue a report, change of a service, they reach service desk. Service desk take information, support customer needs, resolve customers' issues. Okay, so that is what service desk will do it. Guys, I didn't start what is service desk, but I will keep repeating what is the service desk, ticket, customer kind of stuff. So in that one only try to understand what is the service desk. Last one I will define what is the service desk, SPOC kind of stuff. So you can easily understand from it. This point, there, no?
Sir, how can we resolve that such issues which come from the customers
So
that
depends upon
through tools or using tools or any
two things. There
application?
is a two, three things. I got it. I got the question. There is
Yeah.
a two, three things, guys. One is you should have a technically the knowledge. You should understand what exactly customer got an issue. So you have to listen carefully to the customer. Next, ask
Sir,
some questions
yes.
related to issue. Ask some questions related to issues. Okay, depends upon it can be any service, right? We cannot say this is okay. So depends upon the issue. So you have to
Sir,
have a
but we
knowledge that.
don't know the tools, how to use tools relate related issues and all that. So how can we resolve the issues of customers if we don't know the
Currently, you don't know. Later, you will know.
Sir,
okay.
they will give us the kind of training how to resolve the
Yeah,
issues.
they will give some training based on the project you are working.
Sir, who will be
Understand what
giving
customer
us
type,
training?
what kind of service. They'll give you a training on it, but not from scratch. Okay. So
Sir,
you
who
should
will
have a
give us
basic knowledge.
training?
What it is?
Who will give us training?
HCL will give you training
Okay.
on project, customer, product, like that. Okay, not basic training. They don't tell you what is an IP address, how to check IP address, that kind of stuff they won't tell you. Okay, in generally based on what is the project is there. Okay, who is the customer, what kind of
Okay.
issues you will get it,
Sir,
and
can
how
you
to
tell
handle
me
it.
which type of
What will be the
question they
duration
would
of the training?
ask in technical interview?
Technical interview, I will tell now, Paula. So this is one question. What is the service desk? What is the ticket? Who is the customer?
Okay. They don't ask any IP address, MAC address,
They will ask.
difference
They will ask.
between.
Ask. They will ask.
Okay, okay.
And technical troubleshooting also they will ask because you should know the basic technical knowledge and as well as the troubleshooting knowledge. Okay. So once you are into the organization based
Okay.
on the product or a project means what type of customer it is, what type of support they are providing. So your batch, you means those who are selected for that particular uh, project. Okay. So what they will do, so they will give you a basic training on it, like a what kind of customers, where is the means what kind of support we should provide. Okay, what kind of service we are providing, what kind of support we are providing to the this customer base, and what tools they are using. Okay, so how to find any solution in the database, right? So you ask one question, we don't know all solutions, right? We know basic, like if system got slow, what to do, or maybe application not working, what to do, or maybe bootable files are missing, boot MG are missing, what to do. Like basic things only we know it. Networking related basic things only we know it. Okay, network not connected, port not for error, or maybe internet is not working, connected not connected, Wi-Fi problem. Basic things only we know it, but so outside so many issues will occur. They have their own
So
database,
what is the
issue
duration of
and
training?
Okay,
solutions.
sir.
What was the duration of the training? The
I
training
don't know
details.
that maximum 1 week or 10 days. Okay. That is full day training. Okay. Not like half day training. So maybe it is they will provide a maximum 10 days of training. Okay. So already you know the basics. So then they will give the product or work based related training only. So maximum guys in any organization support base, the list of issues and their solutions are there. So based on the customer issues, you have to go through it and tell. But you need a basic understanding language, things, terminologies to deal in the service desk. That's why you should compulsory know the all terminologies in the service desk and technical terminologies like including network related, hardware related, operating system related. So basic terminologies are required.
Sir, can you tell me who will be going to take our technical interview? Is that
HCL.
the person from
I
Savantis
don't know
or
who is the person, but HCL will take your technical interview.
okay, HCL?
HCL only direct a technical interview. Okay. Customer will resolve the issues, get information and changes. Okay. So here it is. Again, remember guys, steps 4. Service provider provide a service. Okay. And if customer required any information or a queries or a report of any issues or change of certain services, they'll contact a service desk. Service desk will take in information, support customer requirements, resolve customer issues, escalating in issues, will do it. So finally, customer should get a solve. How you are dealing at a service side, service provider side, or service desk side, what are you are doing is nothing as important is always customer is based on the customer, what is his requirement, is issue is resolved or not. His issue is his requirement is completed or not, his change of services requirement completed or not. So that is very important, right? So next, how we are dealing when something is hit to the customer reaches service desk. So obviously, whatever the case it is it a issue reporting or information or service request or a change of services kind of stuff? You have to create a ticket. The ticket is defined what kind of thing is happening. Okay. There's so many are there, guys. Where I am. So I keep talking about a customer, right? I'm telling about a customer, client, user. The customer we call customer means one person we are thinking. Client means, oh, client, it is a very big word, right? Client is means big word. Customer is every single person you are thinking. Okay, guys, it's not like that. It's any word you can use it, user, customer, client. These are all people who are nothing but a customer kind of stuff only. The only thing is different words we are using. Okay. Yeah, in these customers, there is a mainly two type of customers, internal customers and external customers. Mainly two type of customers are there. One is internal customers and external customers. What is the customer actually, guys? The person who buys a goods or a service from a shop or a business, who is taking your service. It can be internet service, it can be application related services. As a person, individual person, as an organization, that is a customer. Internal customers are there, external customers also there. Again, it is again your idea will be changes in this pattern. So I will tell you by another picture. Guys, this is our Savantis organization. For example, I'm telling my example or one or two examples. This is the service desk. This is our organization. You know, first time I came to this office, okay, when I transferred to this office, this is also having a Wi-Fi network, right? I don't know Wi-Fi password. I need a internet connectivity. So I need a Wi-Fi connectivity for my laptop. Then what to do? I'm a person who is working in the same organization. So then I will approach to my service desk people. So go to this IT supporting people. Okay. I go to that people and ask, I want a internet connectivity. I want a internet connectivity. So they will check my laptop, or maybe they will give a password directly, or maybe they'll configure my system for internet connectivity purpose. And where is this service desk people in my organization? And I am belongs to same organization. So I'm an internal user. Another example I will tell recently happened. So there is a person, it's not known about much computer. You need an application installation and configuration. This same Microsoft Teams and Word, Excel, PowerPoint want to install in their local PCs. Okay, not only in online. Okay, so Office 365 product only. What they will do, a process service desk. Service desks will take your information either physically or remotely. They will try to resolve your request. I want to access the printer. So I will send a request to the service desk. I want to access, I need an access permission to the printer. So what service desk will do it? What is your profile? I'm a trainer and you are not a HR, then no permission for trainers. Printer access. Okay. So like that. So it is service desk. Either they will give a service or maybe they will not giving a service, but you have to need a issue, you got an issue, or maybe you got need an information, or you want to change of a service, you want to access service, want to access a new service. So you have to approach a service desk, and you and your service desk are working in same organization means you are an internal customer. You are an internal customer. Guys, understand what is internal customer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is external customer. External customer. Who is this external customer? Who is not working in our organization? This example, external customer. So there is a company, ABCD company is there. It's an organization. They are utilizing our services. Okay. So for example, someone providing SAP service, SAP related services. And this is some client organization needs some SAP reporting, or maybe SAP user creation, like that one. So they're required SAP services. We are providing SAP services, right? Now they need some information. They need a certain information, or maybe they need some deployment, or maybe they will need to create something. There is some issue. Either they need some information, or they need to change something, or they want to report an issue. They will approach to the service desk. So I'm giving a separate boxes. This is to deal with internal customers. This team. So I said teams, right? In the team I divided. Here only I'm dividing the teams here. Okay, this is a desktop support team, network support team. This is the team is working for a SAP team for this particular client. Okay, so what they will do, customer reaches the service desk and asking this is an issue, or maybe this is a change of a service, or maybe this is a new deployment requirement. So what these people do it, they'll take it and make it as a ticket, means what is the customer requirement in it. They resolve an issue. They will resolve the issues. Okay, so issue will be once resolved, they close the ticket. And who is this person? Is in the external organization. So external customers are a clients, we are calling simply. Okay, you can call customer as a user or a client, no problem. But generally people think agree. Provide IT service support, IT support to the other organization based on a service agreement. Okay guys, these are mainly two customers, internal and external customers. I added one more customer here for our satisfaction. What is this satisfaction customer? So already I told Office 365 type. Okay, one customer. Office 365 Business Edition means this is. Office 365 Home Edition also there, na? Nice. So for example, my organization, or maybe there is some organization providing a service to the customer, public customer kind of stuff. Okay, so you got an issue, there is this service desk. So what is they will do it? They will try to resolve the issues. But is outside of our organization, but individual user. That's why I told Office 365 Home Edition, Business Edition. Okay, Microsoft providing Office 365 services, but two separate. Home Edition means any person in the world they can able to take Office 365 Home Edition. either personal or family. But business editions are given to a organizational level only, group of users only, not for an individual person. Okay, guys. So here I written this is internal customer, external, but public. A customer is any person uses or buys a service from an organization. You are using the internet from Jio fiber. You are using internet from ACT or maybe Airtel. You are a external customers, but public type customer. Any person can use it. Okay. Your organization using a service, then it is called an external customer to the service provider. So this is one by one things, guys. So you have to read one by one. You have to go through one by one kind of stuff. So every place, can you see this, guys? This type of service desk, which is dealing with the internal customer, or you are dealing with the external customers, or you're dealing with the public customers. But any time a complaint or a request or maybe a change of a service, it is came to the service desk. What is the first thing it is should be happen? Create a ticket. Create a ticket. So what our duty as a service desk analysis, handle the ticket. Creating a ticket, manage the ticket, handling the ticket kind of stuff. About a ticket, see it is all service desk events start with a ticket only. Okay, the ticket can be generated either by a service desk manager or maybe any automation tool. Okay, something is goes wrong automatically, automation tool will create the ticket and assign to the particular team also. Okay, or maybe L0 self-help portals, IVR support. You know, you got a problem to your banking sector, for example. You call to the customer care. So what you will get it voice support. Do you want to speak in English? Continue in English, press 1. Continues in Hindi, press 2. Don't continue with anyone, press anything. Okay. So like that. So you want to speak to the customer person, then press 9. Okay. Credit card related information, press 5. Debit card related information, press 4. Like the different kind of stuff is there, no? In here, IVR. Same way in a web portals. So you go to web portal and there you can directly give complaint from it. So they will give you self-help portals. Simply go there and give the information. That information coming to your organization as a ticket. Once ticket is occur, what to do? Open the ticket, see what is there, what is an issue, who sent the ticket, who price the ticket, and what is the person location. Okay, who is going to be handled? Are you going to be handled or someone has to be handled it? Okay, so that is how ticket will be important. All service desk events start with a ticket. A ticket is a historical document that details the service event such as an incident, problem, or a service request. The ticket governs control how service events is proceed. They are used to route events between different resources for resolutions. It's a historical document that details a service event. It's like in a ticket they mention about any incident is happened, means issues occur. any repetition of incident is happening, or a user is sending a service request, like access permissions, or maybe change of a service is telling, that is in the ticket. Okay, so how to proceed it with this ticket, what is the issues occur, that is controlled by your ticket only. Okay, so these tickets can be traveled from one place to another place to find a perfect solutions. They record all events. They record all event information about a request, including user node, what user told in the ticket. Okay, and what is the technical observations, technician's observation. So then technician notes, workflow information for a how the ticket has handled. Okay, how the ticket has handled means the in not only guys, not only just ticket came, we resolve an issue. Sometimes we have to proceed what kind of things you have to include in this ticket. For example, I want to change my internet connectivity, change my internet speed. So my router is not having support. Then request for router, new router. So then new router has to be get paid and then it should be delivered. So new router has to be come to your office. Then it is should be installed and configured. Workflow information for how the ticket was handled, ticket resolution, other critical processing information. Okay, that is what ticket contains. Ticket can be a document, a single incident, or a service ticket. Okay, ticket can a document in the ticket. It can be mentioned with a single ticket, means ticket single incident, or maybe it is contains a single service request. Also, it can be grouped together, means multiple tickets are grouped together and make it as a single column. So guys, incident, service ticket, service request kind of stuff. Okay, I will separately I will tell that is incident column, service request. Okay, just forward incident and columns issues. Service request is for change of services, information, okay, access permission, service request. Okay, so here, whatever it is come to your service desk, okay, every single service item that hits the service desk, the ticket will be created. Okay, this information I have taken from this link, guys. So this is bmc.com link. Okay, so you can see ticket, incident, column, service request. That information is there. I have taken only ticket, but also there is a incident related information. Okay, what is the incident, what is problem, and what is service request is given with an examples also. Please check this site. Okay, yours is 19th batch. And also I have to share this one link, right? Compulsory read the link. And one more link is this is BMC Helix ITSM kind of link it is. It's a YouTube link. Okay, guys, this is the explanation about how to create a ticket, how ticket will be there, how to check the ticket. Okay, so it's not giving more clarity. I'm just having more clarity. You don't get it. Okay, maybe may not be. So You can see the ticket I am creating here. So
But this BMC headaches tool, which is provided to us for solve a ticket or issue.
It is ticketing software, means help desk software. Okay, your ITSM software it is. So whenever the ticket is came, then you can see what ticket is occur. Like you are in a service desk. So this is how to log in. Already I explained this. Complete explanation is mainly how to log into the demo version. Okay, free demo version is there. Okay, see these are the tickets. So once you log in a demo version, guys, so compulsory watch it and you will get a how to access this one. Okay. So these are the tickets are occur. So once you open the ticket and you will see how the compliance, who is requested, where it is, information, you will get it. So that's for understanding classifications, risk levels. Okay, all these things you can able to understand. Next one is how to create a ticket. So I am trying to create a ticket. I'm creating create new. Okay, so I'm creating new ticket. Here I am creating ticket. Who is the customer with their company contacts? Okay, and what is the issue? What all these things I try to create, including priorities and all. Okay, so try it. So if I possible anything, I will give you one more. This is the link. I'll give you two more links, guys. That is 12th batch and 16th batch. Sir taken a one demo session on fresh services. There you will get what is type of ticket, priorities, priority timelines also. You will get it. Okay, this is a simple short notes of service ticket that is also have taken from here only. Okay, so those are the main links. In the tickets also we have a different type of tickets. Depends upon organization. This type of tickets names are can be different. Okay, in our organization, in our place, we have mainly three tickets are there: incident ticket, service request ticket, alert ticket. Incident, anything is happen issue reporting is the incident. Service request is change of password or maybe change of service related, change of RAM. All this is service request only. Okay, a change of access permissions. Alert ticket will be generated from monitoring tools. Different monitoring tools we are using to monitor our infrastructure. So if anything goes wrong, you will get an alert. Okay, these are the mainly ticket types. In the ticket, guys, these incident tickets are having different priorities and impact levels also there. The P4 level is low priority ticket. P1 is very high, urgent or critical priority. P2 is high and P3 is medium priority. Okay, something has happened, network outrage. Multiple systems unable to access internet. High priority. Server is down. Service is down. Customer is unable to access the service. The web service is down. You know, last time Google services shut down. Okay, earlier Facebook services shut down. It is high impact. Means multiple customer base is impacting that one. Less customer, server down, still service is available. Server is down, but service is available because you are using another server. So it is a high or medium kind of stuff. One desktop is down. One desktop is down. It's not getting network. Only one desktop. Low priority. Okay. Of course, there is a timeline also, guys. So very high means what is the time? Within that time, we should resolve the P1 tickets. Within this particular time, we should resolve the P2 ticket. So, like it is there. Don't worry, only these two things. Then we'll take a break. After that one, I will tell this thing. Okay, okay. No, 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 no. What to do? How many people are getting sleep? Guys,
Yes, sir.
how many people are sleeping?
They might be knowing.
Yes, sir.
Most of the people are sleeping. Okay, no problem. Just give me 2-3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes. We'll take a break. We'll take little long, 15 minutes, 20 minutes break. Then we'll come back and we'll discuss another. Okay.
Sir, do
So
we need to memorize or learn each and everything for the interview?
yeah, you have to memorize. You have to keep reading, 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 and try to understand parallelly. We'll get it. Okay. So because compulsory, this is your interview question. This is what we are doing work. All guys, not only a service desk, the service desk terminologies, what are the terminologies are we are learning, what are the field you go next. Maybe you go for a cloud, or maybe you'll go for a development, or maybe it is a database support related, maybe database administrator related. All these terminologies are useful. Okay. So now people, some people think like, yeah, it's a service desk, only one time for a interview pass. It's not like that, guys. This terminology is always important. Even my sister is working in a this Oracle products database, not database, data warehousing tools. Also, this is they're working reporting tools, OBAE, ODAE, Tableau kind of stuff. How they will get a work, how they will get a assign a work using a tools only. And what is that Jira tool kind of stuff? How they will understand terminologies, these same terminologies. Okay. So you are become a 10-year senior or 20-year seniors. The terminology is always same. The work is always same. So only technology changes. Okay, salary changes. That's the thing. All remaining are everything
Salary,
is
sir,
service discount.
sir,
Get at me?
salary means after 6 months we will be getting, we will be means getting a
No,
hike
that
in
is I
salary
can't.
or sir?
I'm not talking about your 6 month salaries. I'm
No,
talking
no, no,
about
no.
10
I'm just
years.
asking. Just when you talk about salary, so this question came to my mind that after 6 months we will be getting hike or we will be getting hike once we are means switched to the HCL payroll.
No, no, I don't know that one. Okay, it's okay. No, okay. I don't know that information. Okay,
Okay.
maybe 1 year at least. Think about. Don't expect anything. But guarantee means once you are in an IT company, guys, work for try hard in the initial days, guys. My point is, even now I am sitting happily without opening any textbooks. I can take a class. Why? Because initial days of my career, I worked very hard. So even when I'm traveling 40 kilometers from my place to Visakhapatnam city, then so it's a 40 kilometers journey, 1.5 hours journey. I open the textbook, read the things, I sleep for some time, again open the book and read it, keep practicing. So I practice, I remember everything. I can able to gain a knowledge, and anytime, anywhere, I can take a class, I can tell something. Okay. So start days, compulsory do hard work, learning, practicing. Once you are in a hands on the technique, you will understand how to learn next things and how to enjoy with this your career. Okay. Initial days compulsory, any profile learning, people having a subject, people having a knowledge, worthable. People don't have a knowledge, people don't want to learn anything, waste fellows, you can get out from that. Okay, so they have to manage. Manage is not good word, okay. Okay, management. So some people will tell, do work 20%, manage 80%. This is completely wrong concept, guys. Lot of people will try that one, and some maybe think like they are successful but not stable. Okay, management only comes to tell what is the kind of work you have done. Okay, that is the management part. Managing means you have successfully completed this work. So you have to speak properly and convey your organization, that is the completion of your work, what is your success rate of work. That is management. It's not other things. Okay. Like you done only 20% work, you are managing like you are done 100%, 80% of work. So you may not survive longer time. Because earlier days of organization are different. Nowadays, most of the organizations are different. Okay. So yeah, so we have to complete and then we have to take a break. Already people are sleeping. Guys, this is the what is service desk. Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Okay, it is a single point of contact. You can see here also single point of contact. Internal user, service desk. External user, service desk. External user, service desk. Okay, and I need a printer access. I don't know who is going to be give the printer access. So what I do? I have to contact service desk. Service desk will direct me to give information, my request to the particular team who can able to give me a printer access. I want internet access. I will approach a service desk. Service desk will, from service desk, I can able to reach the, means that my request go to the related service desk team. Okay, so that's it, a single point of contact between the user and IT employees. What service desk is provides, it is initial support to the customer, give the support to the customer. What are the customer requirement or issues are there? So understand these issues, understand these requirements, provide information to the customers and support customers, escalate in issues. So you cannot able to resolve them, escalate to the other team or give the issue, hand over the issue to a particular person or a particular team. So they will do it. Okay. Ticket management, manage the ticket like a creating ticket, raising the ticket, or maybe monitor the ticket, closing the ticket, surveys. So this we can able to do the ticket management. Satisfy both customer needs and IT service provider object. Customer required something like you need a service interruptions, service requirements, or change of services. So satisfy by giving your proper approach to the customer, customer will satisfy with your approach. That is first. What is service provider objective? What is service provider objective? Provide a service to the customer, right? Okay, in the service desk, you have to deal with the different terminologies like event, alert, incident, problem, changes, change of services, change service request. Monitoring is one of the things. So monitor your infrastructure. So then what is going on with your infrastructure, you can know it, and you will receive an alerts through alerts. So you will understand there is an issue is occur. Maintaining infrastructure is also one of the service desk role only, guys. Monitoring and maintaining of infrastructures. Any issues is occur to resolve the issues. If your infrastructure is running well, means your service provider service is runs well. And managing SLAs, OLAs, use is also there. Guys, got it? What is the service desk? Single point of contact between users and IT employees. And how do you reach the service desk, or how service desk knows there is an issue is occur, right? I want to resolve an issue, but first of all, I should get a information that issue is happen. Means a customer can contact directly. Internal customers, I said no. Customer can go to the service desk directly, or maybe reach to the telephone, and I will tell this is the issue I am getting. This is information I require. Maybe through emails. Through email also, you can tell what is an issue is occur. Apps and websites, service desk softwares, self-help portals, monitoring tools. So I told BMCLX, right? Like a same as a BMCLX service now, GLP, Zoho, OS ticket, okay, like that. Zira, like that. There is so many services, there's softwares to manage this ticketing, assigning, creating, self-help portals kind of stuff also there. So first 6, 1 to 6, guys, it is we are reaching to the service. Customer will reach the service desk and telling, I'm getting this issue, I need this information, I need a change of a certain services like that, access permissions. The 7th one is through monitoring tools. Different monitoring tools are there. So any issue is occur, immediately monitoring tool send an alert to the service desk, or it will create automatically a ticket and send to the specific team. Okay, so many events will occur. So events and alerts, the alerts will be sent to the service desk. Monitoring tools. Okay, infrastructure management related, not customer related. It is infrastructure management related monitoring. There is a service desk manager which handle this ticket management, guys. So any ticket is occur through a website or through a self-help portals, or maybe through a softwares or mobile applications, or maybe emails or daily telephone calls. That service desk management software or a service desk management person handle these tickets, to whom this ticket has to be sent, to which kind of service desk analyst, okay, which type of technical person is technical related issues. That is the point. Okay, so this is here. This is about your service desk. This is much of story is there to tell simple point what is service desk. Okay, that has to be go first, what I told second wise. So next one is I am going to tell about small points. Like these definitions are important: event, alert, incident, problem, change, and service request. Okay, I will explain these things. Okay. This is also having a big list of information. Anybody having any questions? Anything you understand at least some part, 50%?
Yes.
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 That's it for today, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because of I'm giving time. Please read what I've given information. PPT and notes compulsory read it. Okay. And also I send one video that is related to BMC Helix, and also I'm going to send 2 more videos. Either one video you can watch it. Just will tell you this, and I will share these PPTs also. Information I will share it. So can you see this either N16 or N12? Any of the video, okay? Please watch it. Any one is enough. Where it is? Okay, it is a live demo by Manvit sir and Sai Prasad sir. Okay, so it is a live demo how tickets will be created, who is the service desk person, what he is going supporting. Okay, okay, compulsory, and you can't get it by searching this link because both are sensitive links, guys. Do not share to anyone. Okay, it's not required to share anyone. So you can take 12 or 16. Anyone is okay. Both are is also okay. And this is BMCLX. Also watch it. That's why I'm leaving you early. Okay. I'm not leaving early, right? So this is you have to do it. So then you will get an idea how tickets will be created and the tickets, type of tickets, timelines for a ticket. What is SLA? Pure explanation is by service desk person and a senior person, Sai processor, another senior technical person, and a service desk direct person who is supporting SAP and AWS cloud. Okay, I'm sending those things. Compulsory check it, guys. So you need that information. So tomorrow we'll continue remaining part of service desk. Okay.
Dura mass एक
Okay.